Hi, welcome to my channel, The Simple Stir by Manasmita. Today we are going to make a biscuit cake from hide and seek biscuit, and for that we need simple ingredients like 1.5 packets of hide and seek biscuit, then 3/4 cup of milk, 5 tablespoon of icing sugar, and less than 1 teaspoon of baking powder. First, we need to make fine powder out of the biscuits. This is icing sugar. I mix normally directly here in the mixie. Now put little bit of baking powder. So now we'll give it a mix here only. So now we'll pour milk.
You pour milk? Very good. Thank you. You want to eat this?
Now we have to give it a nice mix. It won't be very thin. It will be pouring consistency like we normally do for a standard cake. What we're going to do is, we already have mixed this. This is ready. So you can see these bowls. We will be making small katori cakes or bowl cakes. So what we have already done, we have greased it with butter and sprinkle some flour so that it doesn't stick like we do in normal cake. So now you're going to pour. Now we just need to pour equally into all the bowls. Make sure you don't fill the bowls completely because it's going to rise. So Kian will help me keeping these things inside the microwave. It's a microwave cake like this. Okay, take one more cake properly, baby. Yeah, 3 more. This boy, he helps mama a lot, creating mess, but now it looks like we are organizing more, isn't it? Kian, pick up. No, you're not eating those chocolate things now. Keep here, push. Keep this, the last one. Keep. Okay, mama keep. We are not eating this now. It'll take 3 minutes. So now we just microwave it for 3 minutes. So it's in process. You can already see. See, it is done. So we'll open and see. I'll just take out one and see. Oh, sorry. This is a toothpick. Try. See, it comes out really clean. So we leave them like for 4 to 5 minutes to cool. Then we'll again come back. We have a twist here. Any of you know me? So I always like some twist. So what are we doing? We're making a sizzling brownie kind of thing here. Okay, it's already hot. These are pumpkin seeds. Yeah, we just got it. What we do is put little Hershey's syrup and make it sizzle and add some twist and something very interesting in our life, and sprinkle some pumpkin seeds for the crunch as I like it. And now we're going to eat it. Now we eat a little more chocolate sauce, and it is super yummy, hot, I'm sure. I don't want to do overacting. This is really yummy. Just hanging there. This is Kian's spoon. This is Mama's spoon. So Kian is going to dig into it. It's hot. So before Kian went to sleep, when he was in good mood, so he got all his favorite friends here. So 10 creatures, as you already know, because of the lockdown, the animals are out. So they're here at our place now today to share this nice sizzling brownie. Enjoy, all of you. Keep smiling.